Alright guys, so let me show you what I did really quick once again. Alright, got the box, the tray, okay, RTV'd that, put the box back in. Hold on, let me just hold the wire. I made a little slit here with the Dremel, okay, right there. Put it under the seat for now. Some people are like, oh, why don't you hardwire it or whatever? You know why? Because when I bought this on eBay for $100, it came with two. And I got the controller right here. So I'm going to tuck this all under the seat. All right. Nice and neat. So when I'm not using it, I unplug it. I just throw it under the seat. That's it. If I want, I could leave it there. I could leave it in my console. I could actually put it in here and just plug it in there. And that's it. And then when the box takes a crap, I could, change it quick because I got two of them. All right, let's go here. All right, so now I'm getting ready to, the muffler shop put this in for me. All right, it's welded in. All right, I got my remote here. So see how it's stuck right now? That's why I left this loose. All right, let me try to get under here and adjust it now. All right, that's why I didn't tighten it when I left the muffler shop, because I wanted to open it and then adjust it to where I want it and then tighten it down. So, when I'm tightening it, it will, open and close. Okay. That looks good. It's the fun things in life they don't show you when you're buying these. So I'm just going to tighten one side a little bit just so I know it open and closes. And now I'm going to tighten the rest of them. Now, the muffler shop that put this in, I flipped out because they went inside the pipe. So they created like a restriction. So I have another one of these, it came in a 2-pack, and I'm bringing it to a different muffler shop. But for now, I'm wiring this up. I'm going to leave it on for about 3 weeks. And then I'm going to buy some more goodies. And then I'm going to bring it back to a different muffler shop and have them fix that. Okay? So right now I'm just adjusting this thing, put it on there. And then I'll get the other one put on and I'll take a quick video of that. That'll be probably part 3 or 4 or something of this. Okay? I'll put it in the description. All right, guys. I'm going to tighten this down. And then stay tuned for another part, and that's going to be me, running the truck.